Hey everybody, it's Lon Seidman. It's time for another unboxing. This is a mini gaming PC that will be on sale for Prime Day. It's called the KAMRUI Mini Gaming PC, and in full disclosure, they sent this to the channel free of charge for my review, but they are not paying for this unboxing, nor are they reviewing or approving it before it gets uploaded. And all the opinions, of course, are my own. And this is powered by a Ryzen 7735HS. So the gaming performance on this won't, of course, rival a larger gaming PC, but it will be pretty competitive, all things considered. And there is some protective film here that they want us to take off before we start it up. And of course, we'll be doing the startup on the full review that we'll be doing soon, and I'll also be streaming live during Prime Day. Now this has 32 gigabytes of RAM, and it also has 512 gigabytes on its NVMe storage. So it's pretty well equipped, I think, for the price point. And for Prime Day, it's going to be very affordable. Now it does have a USB 4 port, but unfortunately, according to the specs, this is only 20 gigabits and not 40 gigabits. So it's not going to work so well with external GPUs. So you want to look for something that either supports Thunderbolt or has 40 gigabit USB 4. On the back here, you've got gigabit Ethernet. You have two HDMI outputs that can do 4K 60 each, and that USB-C can also do it, along with two USB 3.2 ports and a Kensington lock. On the other side, you've got some more USB ports along with that USB-C and an audio output. It's got a neat little dial up here at the top. And this looks like you can, first of all, start it up, but also dial in the level of performance you want out of it. And I think if you're going for the gaming stuff here, the performance mode is probably where you're going to want to have it at. The power button pushes in here. And then you can also have it run silently. So if you wanted it to be a little quieter for doing some basic tasks, it can do that. Now, apparently, this thing is very easy to get into. And this panel here comes off. So let me figure out how to get the panel off here, and we'll take a look inside. And as it turns out, the panel here is just held on by magnets, so it's very easy to remove. And inside, you will see what you can do for upgradability here. So you've got your two RAM modules here. Right now, this is populated with two 16 gigabyte ADATA DDR5 4800 modules. You also have your NVMe SSD here. I'm not sure what brand this is because it is covered by a heat spreader, but when we do the full review and live stream, I will take a look at the system info to get your brand on that one. And then you also have room here for a SATA drive that you can put on top if you want, so you can get a good amount of storage on this device and not have to have too much hanging out with your USB cables on there. Now also in the box, you get a 120 watt power supply and an HDMI cable, and there is a compatibility list for memory that they include in the box here, so you know which RAM modules that are compatible. And it looks like you can, in fact, go to 64 gigabytes on this because the Crucial RAM here, 32 gigs times 2, is listed as compatible, along with Skynix and a few of the other brands here. So it looks like 64 gigs max, but this one, for its price, comes with 32, which is pretty good, I think, for most use cases. So we'll be having a full review of this one in the very near future, along with a live stream, and it also has Windows 11 Pro on board too. So stay tuned, more to come on this, and until next time, this is Lon Seidman. Thanks for watching.
This channel is brought to you by the Lon.TV supporters, including gold level supporters Brian Parker, Chris Allegretta, Hot Sauce and Video Games, Logic KGR, Tom Albrecht, and Amda Brown. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/support to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.